Hello and welcome to Bollywood Wala. I am Sunub. Dosto, let's take a look at the complete list of all those players who got sold and also remained unsold at this year's auction of IPL 2021. And here we go. Let's start with the batsman who got sold. Steve Smith, his base price was 2 crores and he got sold for 2.20 crores to Delhi Capital. Sachin Baby, his base price was 20 lakhs, got sold for the same base price, that is 20 lakhs, to RCB Royal Challengers Bangalore. Rajat Patidar, base price 20 lakhs, got sold for 20 lakhs to RCB. Cheteshwar Pujara, 50 lakhs, got sold for 50 lakhs to CSK. So welcome Cheteshwar Pujara. Now we come to bowlers who got sold. Adam Milne, 50 lakhs was his base price, got sold for 3.2 crores to Mumbai Indians. Mustafizur Rahman, 1 crore was his base price, got sold for 1 crore again. Rajasthan Royals bought him. Jai Richardson, 1.5 crore was his base price, he got sold for 14 crores to Punjab Kings. Now let me tell you, Kings 11 Punjab has renamed themselves as Punjab Kings, so wishing them all the best. Let's hope that they see a fluctuation of fortunes with this new name. Moving on, Nathan Coulter-Nile. 1.5 crore was his base price. He got sold for 5 crores to Mumbai Indians. Umesh Yadav, 1 crore was his base price. Got sold for 1 crore to Delhi Capitals. Piyush Chawla, 50 lakhs was his base price. Got sold for 2.4 crores to Mumbai Indians. Lukman Hussain Miriwala, 20 lakhs was his base price and he got sold for 20 lakhs to Delhi Capitals. Chetan Sakaria, 20 lakhs was his base price, got sold for 1.2 crore to Rajasthan Royals. Relay Meredith, 40 lakhs base price, got sold for 8 crores to Punjab Kings. M. Siddharth, 20 lakhs base price, got sold for 20 lakhs to Delhi Capitals. Jagadisha Suchit, 20 lakhs base price, got sold for 30 lakhs to Sunrisers Hyderabad. KC Karyappa, 20 lakhs base price, got sold for 20 lakhs again, picked up by Rajasthan Royals. Now we come to wicketkeepers who got sold. Vishnu Vinod, 20 lakhs base price, got sold for the same base price, that is 20 lakhs to Delhi Capitals. Sheldon Jackson, 20 lakhs base price, bought for 20 lakhs by Kolkata Knight Riders. Mohammad Azruddin, 20 lakh base price, bought for the same amount by RCB. Now we come to all-rounders. Glenn Maxwell, 22 crore base price, bought for 14.25 crore ultimately by RCB. Shakib Al Hasan, 2 crore base price, 3.2 crores spent on him to buy him by Kolkata Knight Riders. Moeen Ali, 2 crore base price, sold for 7 crores to CSK. Shivam Dubey, 50 lakh base price, sold to Rajasthan Royals for 4.4 crores. Chris Morris, 75 lakh base price, sold to Rajasthan Royals for 16.25 crore. David Malan, 1.5 crore, sold to Punjab Kings for the same base price, that is 1.5 crore. Ripal Patel, 20 lakh base price, sold to Delhi Capitals for 20 lakhs. Shah Rukh Khan, 20 lakh base price, picked up by Punjab Kings for 5.25 crore. Krishnappa Gautam, 20 lakh base price, sold to CSK for 9.25 crore. Kyle Jamieson, 75 lakhs was his base price. RCB picked him up for 15 crores. Tom Curran, 1.5 crore, picked up by DC Delhi Capitals for 5.25 crore. Moses Henricks, 1 crore, picked up by Punjab Kings for 4.2 crore. Now let's take a look at all those unsold players who no one bought, unfortunately, in this year's IPL auction. First, the batsman, Karun Nair. His base price was 50 lakh, unsold. Alex Hales, 1.50 crore was his base price. Jason Roy, 2 crore base price. Elvin Lewis, 1 crore base price. Aaron Finch, 1 crore base price. Hanuma Vihari, 1 crore base price. Himanshu Rana, 20 lakh base price. C. Hari Nishant, 20 lakh base price. Rahul Gehlot, 20 lakh base price again. Himmat Singh, Vishnu Solanki, both 20 lakh base price. Rovman Powell, 50 lakh base price. Sean Marsh, 1.5 crore base price. Corey Anderson, 75 lakh base price. Devon Conway, 50 lakh base price. Darren Bravo, oh, Darren Bravo went unsold, 75 lakh base price. Rassi van der Dusen, 50 lakh base price. Martin Guptill, oh, Martin Guptill also went unsold. His base price was 50 lakhs. Okay, now we take a look at bowlers who went unsold. Sheldon Cottrell, 1 crore. Adil Rashid, 1.5 crore. Again, base price going unsold. Rahul Sharma, 50 lakh base price. Mujibur Rahman, 1.5 crore base price. Harbhajan Singh, 2 crore base price. Ish Sodhi, 50 lakh base price. Kes Ahmed, 50 lakh base price. Mujtaba Yusuf, 20 lakh base price. Ankit Singh Rajput, 30 lakh base price. Okay, Ankit not finding a place. Kuldeep Sen, 20 lakh base price. Tushar Deshpande again, 20 lakh base price going unsold. Karanveer Singh, 20 lakh base price going unsold. Sandeep Lamichane, 40 lakh base price going unsold. Midun Sudeshan, 20 lakh not sold. Tejas Baroka, 20 lakh base price. Varun Aaron, 50 lakh base price unsold. O'Shane Thomas, 50 lakh base price unsold. Mohit Sharma, 50 lakh unsold. Billy Stanlake, 1 crore base price unsold. Mitchell McLennan, 50 lakh base price. Jason Behrendorf, 1 crore base price unsold. Naveenul Haq, 50 lakh unsold. Wicket keepers Glenn Phillips, 50 lakh unsold. Alex Carey is 1.5 crore base price unsold. Sam Billings 2 crore. Kushal Perera 50 lakh. Kedar Devdhar 20 lakhs. Avi Baroth 20 lakhs. All unsold. All-rounders Kedar Jadhav 2 crore. Atit Sheth 20 lakh. Ayush Badoni 20 lakh. Venkatesh Iyer 20 lakh. Vivek Singh 20 lakh. Pawan Negi 50 lakh. Ben Cutting 75 lakh. Gurkirat Singh 50 lakh. Marnus Labuschagne 1 crore. All these all-rounders absolutely unsold. दोस्तों तो ये था लिस्ट, complete list, full list of all those players sold and unsold at today's auction, that is IPL auction 2021. क्या लगता है आपको sold players के बारे में? क्या सही बाई हुआ, सही बिडिंग हुआ, सही खर्चा हुआ? और जो अनसोल्ड प्लेयर्स हैं उनके बारे में क्या लगता है? ऑल दोज अनसोल्ड प्लेयर्स, उसमें से कितने डिजर्विंग वंस को किसी ने खरीदा नहीं? या आपका ओपिनियन, आपका राय ज़रूर लिख कर बताना. फॉर द मोमेंट इट इज़ टाइम फॉर मी टू से Tata. And also, if I may add, ridiculous amount of money being spent ridiculously on ridiculous players. I don't think all this, huge big bucks spent on foreign players, especially Australian players, I don't think they will be justifying or providing any guaranteed returns on field. And the biggest mistake that all these franchise owners time and again make is they look at Big Bash. If a player performs well in Big Bash, they buy them. They go out of their way. They loosen their purse strings to buy them, to lure them towards IPL. IPL is a different ball game. Big Bash is बच्चों का खेल. is बच्चों का खेल यार. छोटे बच्चे खेलते हैं Big Bash. It's not IPL. And these players are not fit enough, not skilled enough to play in IPL. In IPL, you need Indian players who are the best in the world, who can make their mark and play so beautifully well and really create ripples all across. You should be rewarding them with huge bucks. I mean, I'm happy that Krishnappa Gautam and Shivam Dubey and a few other players got good money in their kitty, but Jai Richardson, Chris Morris, Glenn Maxwell and all, they don't deserve. The best buy was Steve Smith by Delhi Capitals for 2 crores. That is even a huge amount to be spent on someone like Steve Smith, who is a total flop in IPL. But still, 2 crores or 1 crore, that is the maximum you should give these foreign players. Spend more on Indian players. But unfortunately, astronomical amount of sum being spent on players who really don't deserve such big bucks. Don't go by statistics. Don't go by who's the number one player. See potential. And when I say potential, Kieron Pollard, that is potential. Hardik Pandya, that is potential. We need power hitters. Glenn Maxwell flatters to deceive. So his time is over here. and I don't see him making any mark at all. I hope he does well for RCB, because his RCB has really spent huge amounts of money, chunks of money to buy him. I really hope he comes good, but again, the point that I'm trying to make here is really simple. Spend money on our Indian players. Let Indians earn here. If you have so much money, spend it on Indian players यार. ऑस्ट्रेलियंस, फॉरेनर्स, कोई भी इंग्लैंड विंग्लैंड ऐसे ऐसे आ जाएगा यार. 1 करोड़ 2 करोड़ में, ज़्यादा मत खर्चा नहीं करने का. लैक्स में आ जाएगा. 50 लाख दे दो यार, 20 लाख दे दो. 75 lakhs क्रिस मॉरिस का बेस प्राइस. 75 lakhs में उसको खरीदना चाहिए था यार. पता नहीं ये क्या पागलगिरी हो रहा था. इतना सारा सब लोग क्रिस मॉरिस हमें चाहिए. क्या है यार. 4 ओवर डालेगा, बैटिंग भी ज़्यादा करेगा नहीं. क्या किया था लास्ट आईपीएल में? 4 ओवर में कितना विकेट निकालेगा? और 14 मैच खेलेगा क्या नहीं खेलेगा वो भी डाउटफुल है यार. एनीवेज दोस्तों, आपका टेक लिख कर बताना फॉर द मोमेंट. टाटा.